Guess who's back. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I hot oil treat my hair. So the oil I'll be using is the Grow and Glow oil from Yaki Roots, and this is from my own company that I launched last year. So I'm basically going to start off by, I've already heated up the oil and everything. Please make sure that it's not too hot because you don't want it to burn your scalp. I'm literally just going to take the oil and just distribute it in the sections that I've made in my hair, and then I'm going to be massaging it into my scalp as I go along. So what are the benefits of doing a hot oil treatment? It basically restores moisture to your hair, it increases blood circulation to your scalp, it strengthens your hair, and overall it just makes your hair thicker, smoother and healthier. So after I've applied the oil all over my hair, I'm going to put it under the steamer for 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash and condition it. So that's literally it, guys. As you can see, my hair is looking thick and lovely. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up.